In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio of a video in CapCut PC. If you need to reformat a video for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or a widescreen display, CapCut makes the process very simple. The main goal here is to adjust your video so it fits the platform you're posting to without looking awkward or leaving your framing off-center. I'll walk you through the easiest way to do it and also show you two clean methods for dealing with any empty space after the ratio changes. To begin, choose the video shape you want to use. Right below the central preview canvas, click the ratio button. This is where you'll select the format that matches your final destination. Choose 9:16 if you're creating a vertical video for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Choose 16:9 if you want a standard horizontal format for YouTube or most desktop viewing. If you're making a square social media post, select 1.1. As soon as you click your ratio, the preview updates right away, so you can instantly see how your video will fit inside that frame. Once you change the aspect ratio, you may notice black bars or empty space around your footage. The first method is a great option if you want to keep your entire original video visible without cropping too much. Click your video clip in the timeline, then go to the top right Properties panel. Under Video and then Basic, scroll down until you find Canvas. From there, choose Blur and pick one of the blur tiles. CapCut will automatically create a soft, matching blurred background behind your footage. This gives your video a polished look and helps fill the frame naturally, especially when converting horizontal clips into vertical formats. The second method is ideal if you want the screen completely filled and don't mind zooming in a bit. Select your clip again, go to Video and Basic, and increase the scale slider until your footage reaches all four edges of the frame. This removes any bars and makes the video fully cover the new aspect ratio. After scaling, use Position X and Position Y to recenter your subject so the most important part of the shot stays in view. This is especially useful for keeping faces, products, or actions centered after cropping. That's it. You've now changed your video's aspect ratio in CapCut PC and adjusted the framing using the method that works best for your content. You're all set. Done.